Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. I have some makeup that I've been using for a little while that I want to show on camera, and then I have some products that I've never used before that I wanted to try for the first time on camera. So if you are interested in watching this get ready with me, then of course just stay tuned. Ooh, it's hot. Turtleneck was a poor choice. Poor choice. So I'm going to start off by moisturizing my skin. I've been using this one by Formula 10.0.6. It's a Picture Perfect Day Daily Moisturizer with SPF 15. That's what it looks like right there. If you can hear airplanes, so sorry. Can't control air traffic. This smells like oranges mixed with sunscreen, so make of that what you will. As per usual, I'm going to start with my face. So I have two primers to use today. I've been trying these out for a little while now, and I do really like both of them. They're both by Hard Candy. This is the Sheer Envy Perfecting Primer. It says it minimizes lines and reduces pores. And then this is the Hard Candy Sheer Envy Stick It to Pores. It's kind of just like one of those like stick milk makeup blur stick dupe situations. So for some reason, I've been on the hunt for a dupe for that. Not really sure why. But I'm just going to first apply the Perfecting Primer. Tiffany. She is literally my shadow. She has not left me alone from the moment I woke up today, which is totally fine. I'm totally down with it, but you know, mama has to do stuff now, baby. Oh, it looks like it's so beautiful outside today. So I just kind of put this everywhere. Although it is a silicone primer, I don't feel like it is too heavy on my skin, which I normally feel with silicone primer. She's coming onto my lap. Hello. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Bye-bye. So I need a mirror, don't I? Don't I? Where were we? So, like I was saying, I do enjoy this primer quite a bit. Now I'm going to take the Stick It to Pores primer, and I'm just placing this like in my forehead lines as well as my smile lines. I don't feel like this does a hell of a lot, but I'm going to apply foundation now. I've been using this for a little bit and I really like it. It's the Essence Fresh and Fit Awake Makeup. It says it's a healthy glow with vitamin complex. I have a hair, cat hair, and cranberry water, and I have mine in 10 Fresh Ivory. I got this at Ulta Beauty, and I'm honestly not sure what their shade range is like. It's probably pathetic, but if you can find your shade, I do recommend it. It is very nice and hydrating. Keep just hearing things crashing. Okay, so I do find this gives me like medium to full coverage. The shade is like ever so slightly too dark for me, but I do not care because I really, really like the finish. So you can still see some redness coming through, but it covers a lot. I just have cat hair everywhere now. She's lurking in the background. I'm sure you'd probably get a fuller coverage with a brush. I'm just not a brush person when it comes to foundation. This never works for me, so I'm just gonna build it up a bit. I will say that this foundation settles into my smile lines pretty heavily, pretty quickly, so that's just one thing to keep in mind. This is the Time Bomb Concealer by The Balm, and I have mine in the shade Lighter Than Light. It's lighter than light. I'm just going to take this on my finger. It feels very creamy. And I'm just going to start to apply this under my eyes just to brighten that area. I'll put some on my lid too, because why not? I'm going to just put some on the center of my nose. That is very lovely. I actually really like that. It still looks very hydrated. It's not drying whatsoever, so big fan so far. Almost wrapped it. For setting my under eyes, I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild contouring palette, and I'm just going to use the lighter side. Just trying to finish this up. I feel like I just need to get it done, you know? And I'm just going to set anywhere that I put concealer, so under my eyes and the center of my face. And to set the rest of my face, I'm going in with this powder by Milani. It's the Shine Proof Powder in 01 Fair. That's what that looks like right there. I tried this for the first time yesterday and I did really like it. So I'm just gonna put this anywhere that I didn't put the Wet n Wild powder. Before I move on, I am just going to apply some Bite Beauty Agave Lip Balm. Booty. Bite that booty. I'm going to do my eyebrows now. I'm going to be using the LA Girl Slim Shady Brow Pencil in soft brown. You guys have seen me use this pencil before. I'm just going to go very natural on the brows, as I so frequently do. I'm going to set my brows into place using the Essence Make Me Brow. This is in the color Soft Brownie Brows. I didn't know that was the color till right this second, and that's fantastic. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to do something pretty simple. I have a lot of errands to run today, and I just want to do something like very easy, very quick, very minimal. So for that, I'm going to be using my Kat Von D Shade and Light eyeshadow palette. I haven't used this in a hot minute, so I'm pretty excited to break it back out again. First, I'm going to go in with this shade called Ludwin, and I'm just going to set my eyelid with this. Next, I'm going to take this shade called Latinus, and I'm just going to place this in my eyelid, crease, just as a light transition-y color. Next up, I'm going to take Solace, which is this color right here. I'm just going to focus this on my outer corner, outer V. I forgot how wonderful these eyeshadows are. They are so pigmented, so blendable, so easy to work with. Really love these eyeshadows. That's really all I'm going to do with this palette. I'm going to take my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion in Sin. I'm just getting this on the back of my hand right now. And I'm going to take this little flat concealer F70 brush from Sigma, get some of that primer on it, and I'm just going to put this where the eyeshadow isn't. Are you guys proud of me for using this primer? Are you proud? I'm proud. Now I'm going to take the Single Shadow by Catrice. It's the liquid metal eyeshadow in We Are the Champagnes. I'm really just going to take this on my finger, and I'm going to just place this over that primer. I'm going to take this color again, and I'm just going to put this on the lower lash line. I'm just going to go in with my Tartist mascara. On my inner corner, I'm just going to pop some of Succubus? Tiffany, that's not, no. We're not doing that. Tiff, stop. Thank you. So that's really it for the eyes. Just super pretty, daytime appropriate, simple, exactly what I wanted. So now we're going to move on to bronzer. And I'm going to take this one by Ulta Beauty. This is the matte bronzer in Warm. I'm just taking this on this big this big Coastal Scents angled brush. Tap off some of that excess on here. And just going to bronze up. I have used this bronzer before. I do like it a lot. I had a contour powder out that I was going to try, but I'm really not in the mood. You know, you gotta be in the mood to contour, and I'm just not there. For blush, I'm gonna pop into this palette by MAC Studio. It's their face palette. And there are no names on these blushes, but I'm gonna take this one in this top left corner. It looks like a nice, like, peachy kind of blush. Ooh, super powdery. You can find MAC Studio at TJ Maxx. I just put it together. TJ Maxx, MAC Studio. Max, okay. Tiffany's coming on my lap. Here we are. Oh, and she's gone. Okay. Like, she comes on my lap and then she realizes my lap is not big enough for the both of us. This is pretty. I just feel like it's like taking away my foundation for some reason. Don't know why. Just gonna blend a little, you know? Now for my most favorite part. I'm gonna be highlighting with my Laura Mercier highlight, my Laura Mercier Matte Radiance Baked Powder in Highlight 01. I got this during the Sephora VIB sale, and I freaking love it. I love it. I love it so much. I think it is the prettiest highlight. It is completely undetectable on the skin. It just gives you this beautiful glow when the light hits ya. And it is just, it's everything I've wanted and more. This is the first Laura Mercier product I've ever tried in my life, so welcome to the club, Jamie. Oh my goodness, it is so pretty. My hand is still violently shaking. You can layer this up for like an hour and it will never look too heavy. It's just this beautiful glow. It's on my nose. I literally just put it everywhere. Forehead? Why not? Who doesn't want a glowy forehead, right? Highly recommend that. If you like subtle, but like impactful, is that a word? Subtle highlights that have a big impact. Laura Mercier Matte Radiance Bronzer, no, highlight, is your girl. Oh, all that's left is lips and I forgot to pick a lip color. Wow, what else is new? I'm gonna try this by Essence. I have never tried this before. This is the liquid lipstick in 02 Beauty Secret, maybe? I hate when you like can't tell what the shade name is. I'm gonna just zoom you guys in. I'm actually gonna line my lips first. I feel like that's a smart move. Hold please. This is Wild Never Petal Down. I'm not sure if this is gonna match that liquid lipstick, but hopefully. It's probably too pink, but. And I'm gonna go over top with the liquid lipstick, which I literally think is just like a liquid lipstick. Like, I don't think this is gonna dry down. Excuse me. Rude. Alright guys, this is the finished look. What do you think? I really like it. I think it is very pretty. No lipstick on my teeth, that's always a plus. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I really do appreciate it. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and hit that notification bell if you want to be notified every time I upload a new video. I upload every Tuesday and Thursday at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And until then, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!